Hey everyone, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel. I'm getting a little off on my upload schedule this week, and hopefully after next week I will get back on it. I wasn't quite sure what to do today, and I got 2 boxes in, so I'm going to do a box versus box, and I've never done this one before. So I'm going to do the Try Beauty box versus Glossybox. The Glossybox is monthly. It's $21 normally. I get this every 3 months worth of subscription. So for me, it's like $19 a box. The Try Beauty is quarterly. I think it's quarterly. No, it's bi-monthly. It's every other month. And this one, I believe, is $29. So they're not quite on the same par. This one is about $9, $8, $9 more. But I thought those would be fun to go over. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned. Just a little bit about myself. I am a lifestyle, unboxing, beauty channel. I like to go over all that kind of stuff. I like to tell you about products that I've used and whether I think they are worth it. And occasionally I like to do a review of makeup products. These are some videos that are going to come out. I got this palette in the mail recently. This is the Zoeva Melody palette. I did tape my review of this, or my first impressions. Look at this. That'll be coming soon. This one I'm probably not going to do a video about unless anyone wants it, but I finally bought a Juvia's Place palette because I have been wanting to try their stuff for so long. So all right, let's get into this. Let's start with the Glossybox because, well, it's cost less and I feel like it's going to be slightly more disappointing comparative to the Try box. Now I will tell you guys, I have already gotten into these and looked at them, so I know what's in here. So Glossybox always has these beautiful boxes, and this month they did a special box for spring. Normally it's a pink box, and I don't have one of their boxes in here to show you guys, but this was a specially designed box. It's super cute. It's this mint green. They always come in a bigger box, and the bigger box around this was pink, so it was a little bit different. When I opened it up, they had 2 wine things in here. They always seem to send this nakedwines.com, which apparently they don't really have any good wines, what my husband was telling me when he looked. And then Bright Cellars, which I know this company does a lot of like giveaways. So I'm going to look and see if there's anything interesting on that. So those are those 2. They always have their boxes beautifully packaged, and inside this box they have this whole right out here that talks about spring. It says, this spring I'll continue to explore beauty. To me, beauty means, and it's like one of those ad libs where you add in things. I'm not going to go through the whole thing, but I thought that was kind of cute. They're trying to be a little bit different. Okay, so they have our little pamphlets here, and Glossy goes green. So post a video, picture of your April box. And I guess that's the theme of this month. Let's see. Hello, Glossies. Embracing clean beauty with all the exciting beauty surprises included in this month's beauty box. So that's what they're doing here. They also say coming soon is the Mother's Day box right here. They had the Easter egg one. Those things sold out like, I mean, within hours of it going up. I got an email, I went on and it was already sold out, and it looked like it had some really good stuff. Their special edition boxes are definitely worth it. Their monthly boxes, not always the case. So I'm just going to show you from afar. Yes, I'm spoiling it, but this is what is in the box, and they always tell you the value and everything. All right, so let's get into it. They usually have a little sticker. This month's little sticker here is like a green one. So I have to say the packaging is beautiful, and this is what it looks like. Now, I'm just going to start off with a big disappointment in the box, and that is a repeat item. And last time they gave this to us was July or June of last year, and it was a travel box. And at that time I made the argument of, oh, well, it's a travel box. These are things that you want to take. They're supposed to be a mix of full and a deluxe sizes. And so that was the argument I made, but this is a repeat, and these are not bad. I used up the last ones and I did like them. This is the John Masters Organic shampoo. This is lavender and rosemary. It does smell really, really good. And then this is the citrus and neroli conditioner. I don't know why they have different scents. They're very different scents. This one smells so beautiful of like lavender. I mean, it is like lavender. Like if you don't like lavender, you'd hate this shampoo, but I absolutely adore lavender. And this just has a soft citrus scent. I like them. They're good shampoos. I'm not adverse to getting shampoos. We've already got them. I think it's been less than a year since we got them. So to me, that's a bit of a disappointment. We seem to get a lot of John Masters products, and I just wish that they had spaced this out. So they did only put the full size value, which is 8 ounces, and each one of the 8 ounces are, let's see, the shampoo for 8 ounces is $19, and this is a 2 fluid ounces. So we're looking at 2, 4, 6, 8. I'm having to do math, so roughly 1/4 of the price. So this is just a little under $4 for the shampoo. It's kind of pricey shampoo. And the conditioner for an 8 ounce bottle is also that. So these together are just shy of $8 in value. Okay. All right, next product here is the Plumper by, what brand is this? Plumper Lip Balm. Can you see there? This is by BYBI. BYBI. I've never heard of this brand. I do like that Glossybox gets different brands I've never heard of. So this is a natural lip balm. This is considered a full size, which is 0.35 ounces, and that is $14. This does not look... this looks like a full size, actually, most lip balms. And now it just has like a little push top thing here. Oh, this is really thick. This is what it looks like, super thick. Ooh, that's actually nice. Okay, this is just a nice lip balm. It's thick, but it feels very like glossy. It has kind of mint flavor. A little bit of plumping. This isn't bad. I do like this. I love myself some lip balms, so I am excited about this. Oh, I can really feel the tingling. So this is nice. It kind of reminds me of the Glossy, the Juicy Lips by ColourPop. It has that same mint type tingling feeling. So apparently this is eco-friendly tube, 100% all natural ingredients. This tube is made out of sugarcane. Yeah, so that is a win. I really like that product. Next product in here is the Derma E Essential Overnight Alpha Hydroxy Acids. I have one of these and I can't remember if I've used it before. I'm not a big Derma E fan. Their products I've had hit or miss. I'm gonna have to try this out since I have 2 of these now and let you guys know. But this is 7 mils or 1/4 fluid ounce, which is, well, the full fluid ounces, or 2 is the full amount. So this is, full size is like $19. This is only worth a couple dollars because this is 1/4 of a fluid ounce. So that's 1/8 the price. You're looking at, let's see, maybe, let's see, maybe like $2.50 for that. I'm probably getting that math wrong. I'm trying to do that in my head there. All right, so this is, if you don't know, alpha hydroxy acids are supposed to help exfoliate the skin, and they're very good for that. Next product here is the Kiehl's. We knew we were getting these. Unfortunately, they did 2 tiny little samples, which is kind of a disappointment. Both of these are 0.17 fluid ounces. And these are, value is 50 mils, featured is 5 mils for 2 pieces. So this is 1/10 of the price. These are worth $3. Oh, you can hear my kiddo in the background. Sorry about that, he's happy. Okay, the final thing here, which is a full size, this is the Juice Beauty Phyto Pigment Cream Shadow here. Let me go shut the door real quick. Sorry about that. I'm trying to not edit today because I've got meetings and I just don't have time to edit, but I want to get a video out. This is really cool. This is the color. And I was a little disappointed at first when I saw the color. Can you see it here? It's hard to see because they had a couple different colors that they were showing. And this one is a very like light creamy beige, but I actually like it because I think it'll work really nicely for like an inner corner type highlight. And with the way the stick is, I actually really do like that. I played with it earlier. It stays really nice and stuck on the hand. It's got a pretty shimmer. So I am excited about that. All right, that is the entire thing. I think when I was looking up on My Subscription Addiction, they were stating that this was roughly about a value of $50. So not the best. Glossybox usually has a value closer to $80. All right, let's get into the second one. Try Beauty. My last month's was really, really good. Let's see how we feel about this month's. The box is definitely smaller. They don't put as much fluff and fuss into their packaging. And so they just have a simple card here that talks about the values. Most of their stuff is full size in price, and they spoiled a lot of it, so we knew we were getting a lot of this stuff. So the first thing is the original Beauty Blender Just Chill, and I am always a fan of getting beauty blenders in subscription boxes because these things are $20. So that saves me from buying them at full price, which I do like my beauty blenders. So this is $20. Our box is $29, so we already have a pretty good value right there. All right, the next item here is the Bella Pierre 12 Color Pro Lip Palette. Now, I thought I had this originally. I looked through and I actually have a different brand lip palette that I have not touched. So I am going to keep this in my everyday makeup drawer and try to play with this a bit more because I think it'd be fun to play with lip palettes. But I do not have this particular lip palette. So it's supposed to have 12 colors. Oh, those are pretty. So these are the 12 lip colors. So there's a nice variety of lip colors. That color Fierce is super beautiful. It's like a coppery color. I think Catwalk and Envy will be nice. So I'm gonna play with this and try to get back with you guys on what I think about that. Because I really haven't given lip palettes much of a good go. Now this is supposed to be worth 50 bucks, which honestly I think is an inflated price. I wouldn't pay more than maybe $15 for this, but I feel like Bella Pierre always overinflates their prices. So right now we are well over the value of the box. All right, next item here is the Balm's Sexy Mama Translucent Powder. I actually was excited about this. I've been using more translucent powders that are pressed. I find they work a little bit better with my skin. They don't seem to emphasize or dry out my lines quite as much, probably because I use a little less product. This is what it looks like. As you can see, it's pretty translucent. So I am excited. It has a cute little mirror. And I don't really have a lot of balm products. I find that this box tends to give us a lot of the balm products, which is kind of nice. And this is $20. And their brand is expensive, so I'm not shocked. They always have the cutest, like 1950s and 1940s type packaging. It's just adorable. All right, and then we got another balm product, the Manizers Luminizers, okay, which is basically, I think, a fancy highlighting palette. These are super duper cute. So this is worth $28, and this is what it looks like. It also has a mirror, and it has 3 shades of the highlighter. Now, obviously, this dark one is not gonna work as a highlighter or even a bronzer on me, if you can see here, but as an eyeshadow, that is gonna be beautiful. The same one with this middle pink one. If you can see here, it's probably gonna be a little bit too dark as a highlighter on me, but again, as an eyeshadow, that's gonna be pretty, or an inner corner illuminator. But this lightest one here, I think actually will work quite nicely as a highlighter. So I don't love highlighting palettes that have dark to light. I find that it's kind of a waste of products, but these are such a pretty shimmer. I think they'll be fun to use in other sources. So, all right, On a side note, it says discontinue use if signs of irritation or rash appear. I don't know if that's on other boxes, but that's kind of weird. All right. Anyway, so on the outside, they say the Mary Luminizer, which is the lightest one, is a luminizer. The Cindy Luminizer is a contour color. Oh, I wouldn't use that as a contour color. It's the wrong color for that. And then the Bronzing Bandit, that is obviously way too dark for me, so that'll be an eye color. All right. And then the final thing, which I am not going to show you guys as sample, because I'm going to put this in a giveaway, is the Rodial Dark Ash Brown Eye Pencil. You guys know how I feel about making my eyebrows darker or brown. I like that they're red. This color it's a dark, dark brown. Unfortunately, that's a complete miss for probably more than half of their box, because anyone who does not have dark eyebrows, this is not gonna work. So unfortunately, I'm not even gonna open it past just showing you guys what this looks like, because this will go to someone else who can use this, because I will not use this. This won't work at all on my eyebrows. But this is worth $26. But even though this was a miss, I like all the other products, and we've got a value that is well over, let's see, 20, 40, 68, 100 and 18. So without this, we're already at 118. If you added this, we're into the 140 range. So I definitely think the Tribe Beauty Box was worth it. You know, not the most exciting of their boxes. I thought last month was, or last, you know, one they did was much better, but this one's still nice. As for the Glossybox, I still have a love-hate relationship with it. I did, my subscription did renew with this one, so I've got 2 more whether or not I like it. I'm going to see how the next one goes and really kind of think about it, because I'm getting to the point where it's like half the time I love Glossybox and half the time I don't. So anyway, guys, that is it. I'm going to put this up and tell me what you thought. I am going to get back and comment to all those wonderful comments on my last video. That was a little crazy. I edited it and tried to put that up, and the editing was a little off. I apologize for that, as was the lighting. And I put it up, and it took me so long to get that all done that once I put it up, I was like, oh, I wish I had realized that earlier. But it's been crazy since we've been back from our vacation, and so I want to say I've seen all your comments. I've read all your comments. I appreciate all the comments, and I'm glad that that type of video is extremely helpful. I will totally do more videos like that. I love to get that kind of feedback, and I will be answering everybody's comments sometime this week, I promise. All right, guys, bye. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like, share, all that good stuff. I'll see you guys later.